Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to transfer miles on Alaska Airlines. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Alaska Airlines official website, which is alaskaair.com, and you'll be greeted with a website like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, don't worry, you can always go and register to Alaska Airlines. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel, where we have plenty of how to Alaska Airline videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official website where we have a lot of things that you can do. First of all, you can go and book flights here. You can go and check into your flights that you already booked. You can see the flight status of any flight that you want, and you can manage your trip by going here and putting your passenger last name and the confirmation code from your e-ticket. Also, in the top side, you can go and also book, manage, and check-in. You can see where they fly, so basically where Alaska Airlines can fly you to. You can go click on traveling with us and the plan here. Also, in the top right corner, you can go and search manually. You can change language, see the card where you can see all of your cards, click on the help center, the sign up and sign in option, and of course there will be the logout option when you create your account. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and transfer miles on Alaska Airlines. Well, to transfer miles, you'll need a My Account profile, the mileage plan number and name of the receipt as it appears in the mileage plan account, and that's basically that. So guys, that would be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. And of course guys, if you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.